Welcome to our app, DebtFreeWay, for the Congressional App Challenge.
The purpose of our app is to help students with student debt, and we were inspired to create this app from the information that was provided to us by Education Data Initiative. Student loan debt in the United States is $1.766 trillion. So we're trying to make the effects of student debt be mitigated to the students' lives.
The programming language that we used was JavaScript. It's intended for mobile devices. We use code.org to create this application, and some additional sources are studentaid.gov and educationdata.org.
And now let's dive into the actual code.
Okay, so the primary function used in this code is called payment periods, and it uses three variables, R, P, and I. Each variable represents different aspects of that debt. So R represents the remaining debt, P represents how much money the debtor is putting aside each month to pay off the debt, and I represents the monthly interest rate of the debt in percent. What the person using the app will do is they will press this play button, and then they will set in a name, the amount of debt, monthly payment, plus interest rate. Once that's done, they're going to go down here and calculate it, and it will tell them the value. Values that don't have numbers in them or cannot be calculated will show up as NaN. Now, if they mess something up, they could press the start over button or the arrow button, which would take them right back to where they were before. Say this is not enough tables for them, they can also add more tables, and the same data is carried over between when more tables is added.
For the formatting, we've used Need Help, where the user can look over how the application works. They can even see how the formula works and the different variables used to calculate the amount of months that it would take for them to pay off their debt. Soon, we'll add a additional YouTube video after this video is uploaded. The video will be linked to here on how they can use the app. We also have additional help for paying off their debt, where the user can look for various sources on specific debt they own, whether that's scholarships, where they're linked to FAFSA, a credit card debt where they're given advice, and auto loans. The reason we use these three main categories for additional help is because they're the most common types of debt people are in.
We also created a page where we talk about the purpose of this website. We also tested all the things that work so there wouldn't be any errors on this site.